Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm glad that you're here. If you like what you see, please do share, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. So today I'm making some aloo tikki and let's get started. So here I have 4 medium boiled potatoes. I have some spices. I have kalonji, turmeric, zira powder, salt, red chilies, and I'm going to add 1 chicken cube. I'll mash that up a little bit. This is the brand that I use, so I get it from Desi or Pakistani store. It's halal, so it's optional, but I like to add that for that extra flavor. I added 2 chopped up green chilies, some cilantro, 2 tablespoons or so of mint, and 1 medium chopped onion, and half of a lemon. Now that's a very large lemon, so I'm just going to add half of that. Or you can add amchur powder, or you can also add anardana, and you can mash the potatoes up beforehand, but I like to mash them with everything. So I mashed up the potatoes, and then I added 4 tablespoons of either you can add rice flour or cornstarch. I added cornstarch. So after adding the cornstarch, go ahead and give everything a good mix, and then go ahead and make patties or tikkis, the size that you like or prefer. This is the size that I like, and with this much mixture I made about 14. I'll make a couple of more and show you what size they should be, or how I like them. So here at this point you can go ahead and freeze them, and then fry them whenever you feel like having some. But these you have to shallow fry. You don't deep fry these. So to a pan I added a little bit of oil, and once the pan and the oil is hot enough, go ahead and put your tikkis in there one at a time. Now make sure your oil is not too hot, and it has to be a right temperature to make these nice and crispy. So go ahead and put all of them in there, and wait 5 to 6 minutes before you turn them over first time, because they have to be golden, really nice golden brown on that side. So here, with the help of a spatula and a fork, I'm going to turn them over. Make sure that you are gentle, because they are very easily they can easily break. And after both sides are cooked, go ahead and take them out on a paper towel. Lower the heat at this time before you put your next batch in. So after I put the next batch in, I did turn the flame high. Now there are so many different ways you can serve this. For little kids, if you want to give them in a sandwich, you can. I love to have mine with some paratha and some tea. And with the chicken cube, it just gives it that extra flavor, and they taste so yummy. Some of my family members just like to have it on its own with some green chutney, some imli chutney. So make it for your loved ones, and stay tuned for more recipes. If you like what you see, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos from my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again with another very simple basic recipe.